Alright, good morning and welcome to 2026. Today we're going to the VSCC event in Much Marcle. So we're taking the Austin 7. We know a couple of the guys that park people up there, so even though we're not VSCC members, we've been told if we get them a good time, we're going to get a spot. So we've got the learner driver driving today with his L plates on. So let's have a good journey over there. Nice bright sunny start to the new 2026. So let's see what we find when we get there. Right, so it's a good job we left in good time because we've developed a bit of a knocking noise from the back of the car, but what do you reckon, Sid? Is it right?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just whenever we go over a bump, something's knocking, but the exhaust seems, it's not moving more than it normally does. Everything seems tight on the axles, so yeah, I don't know, but we'll see what happens, I suppose.
Okay, well we'll carry on. We'll listen out for the knock. It's nothing serious hanging off, so we'll carry on with the journey.
There now. We've not had any more issues with the knocking. It's still there, but it's not gotten any worse. We think it is probably the exhaust, or it might be the luggage case, but I'll check that when we get there. But other than that, we've had no issues. We're pretty much there now. We're just coming onto the main road. We went up some pretty big hills, which were definitely interesting. We got into second a few times, but nothing too terrible. It was all manageable in second, so overall it's been a pretty good journey. So hopefully we're going to see some good cars here now, and it'll be good fun.
On the far end, against the wall, and we like the decoration.
Thank you.
Are you going to take your test in it?
Unfortunately not.
Ah.
It's not legal.
That'd be a very brave thing to go and do.
It would be good, I'd enjoy it, but I don't think the examiner would enjoy it.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Put it on the slope.
So where is it? Just with the other sevens?
You'll find Ray down the bottom. He'll put it somewhere.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Well done, thank you.
Where's Ray?
He's just over there. So.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Where should we go? Where do you want us to go? Just there?
He turns up to Cornwall with
Is it the the other half-inch plate on it, and it was bending that half-inch plate.
So we're almost back now. It's definitely been a good day out. I think we'll definitely do it next year. We got to park with all of our people at the in the Austin 7 Club, and there was a lot of interesting cars. So we still don't know what the knocking noise is. I tried tightening up the suitcase on the back because I've got that bolted on instead of strapped on, and the noise still seems to be there, but it might be slightly quieter. So I don't know whether that has, if that is what it is, or it could be something in the suitcase that's done that. But other than that, it's been fairly uneventful, I think. So you'll probably see us doing it again next year, because it's basically it's a VSCC event, so it's not like trialing or anything, it's just a meet. But there's so many interesting cars, Lagondas, Aston Martins, you wouldn't believe how many Alvises there are, and so many other cars. So yeah, it was a good day out. So like and subscribe, because I'm sure there'll be more events just like that in the future, and we'll see you later.